Hi everyone, I'm back with another calibration task. Today we are going to calibrate the multimeter. Let's start calibration the Fluke 289 model multimeter. We are going to measure voltage first. Let's connect the cables. We are connecting the cables to the voltage section of the calibrator. The connections are complete. First, I will measure millivolt with the lowest range. I'm reading a 5 millivolt measurement from the multimeter. I'm measuring DC voltage. I have taken measurement of 545, 450 and 900 voltage, one after the others. Since the voltage measurement is done, we can move on the current. First, we will start with the lowest measurement range, which is microamps. We have switched to milliamps. There is something to pay attention to here. Milliamp fuse is rated for a maximum of 400 milliamps. I'm staying within the safe range and measuring 360 milliamps. We have connected the cable to the current side and we are continuing. Here I'm taking measurement of 5 and 9 ampere, one after the other. We have connected the cables back to the voltage range for resistance measurement. Now we are taking measurement of ohm, kilo ohm and mega ohm one after the other. Here I'm setting the step, then I take the measurement closest to the selected step. It's important to calibrate your device at the maximum limit, but you can also calibrate it at the limits you are using. Finally, let's take temperature measurement. We will be using tip K thermocouple. Connections and temperature range are set. Now we can take the measurement. Thanks for watching. See you in the next calibration.